Hey, I've been promising you to show you the shooting range I built. This is the cover here, and you can see a bench rest that I built for the rifle, but it can be raised so you can stand and shoot the pistols as well. You look up high there, you can see that use a trolling motor to make a retrievable target system. You can see that in the foreground. And backstop is some old tires filled with sand, and I've got the range marked. I've got an old tree stump back there I'm using for shotgun practice. I'll show you that in just a second. This is my latest gunsmithing project. That was Josh's first squirrel gun, a Winchester 1300 pump. And I cut the barrel off to 22 inches and put some combat grips on it. That's my latest fun thing to do. Okay, here goes combat shotgun. It's Sunday afternoon. I figure the neighbors need a little excitement, a little waking up.